There it is, like clockwork. It's the second half or so of her daily food. She gets about 3/4 of a cup. Okay, mija. There you go. Dig in. Now when she's done, you're about to see the world's cutest thing, and she literally does this after every meal or every big drink of water. You done? Are those the last kibbles? Okay, wait for it. There it is. Like clockwork, Lucy burps. Yep, I'm watching you eat. There's a little burp. Half a cup of food and a big drink of water. This is gonna be a big burp. Like clockwork. You're so cute. Good morning, Lucy. You enjoying your breakfast? That was a little burp. There's the good burp. Mija, hey, I think you got it all. Is that a good dinner? Tell me how good that dinner was. There it is, a little one tonight. It's coming. It always happens. You just have to wait for it. There it is.